Jack it up.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel The Trends and Styles. I have collected 10 types of kurti styles. I think every woman in India has tried a kurta or kurti at every moment in her life. Kurtis are not just limited to office or casual looks. They are also worn in parties, festivals, wedding functions and much more. The comfort and the ease of carrying and maintaining a kurti make them so desirable. They are mainly categorized based on fits, hemline, neckline and all. Altogether, they are a mix of various types that pretty much depends on the eyes of a designer. Here I am presenting only the basic kurti styles that every woman should know. First one is A-line kurti. A-line kurti or kurta for women. As the name suggests, this kurti is A-shaped, which is narrow at the top and widens reaching the bottom ends. A-line kurtis look amazing on all body shapes and types. The length can be vary from knees to ankles or even can be of floor length. They can be teamed up with nearly all kinds of bottoms. आप इसको किसी भी bottom के साथ pair कर सकते हैं. Second one is Angrakha kurti. Angrakha kurtis look alike wrap dresses from the top which overlap and are tied from right to left side with tassels or knot, and Anarkali kurtis from the lower part of the body. Next time, pick up a beautifully handcrafted Angrakha kurti to rock at the party. Angrakha kurtis can be of any length. It can be like a top, or it can be knee length or calf length. It is your choice, whichever length you need or you like. Next one is high-low kurti. A high-low kurti is nothing but a straight A-line kurti or sometimes an anarkali kurti with its front hemline higher than the back hemline. Clearly, this falls in the category of asymmetrical kurtas. You can choose the bottoms depending on the length of high-low kurti. They are best with patiala pants or any other loose-fitting pants. Next one is jacket style kurta. Women wearing jacket style kurta. Jacket kurtis have a long line jacket. Jacket kurtis have a long line jacket which is attached to it or could be separated from the kurta. In my opinion, choose ankle length jacket style kurtis without a second thought. One more style is shirt style kurti. Shirt style kurti is simply any other kind of kurti that has a shirt style collar of length varying from knee to ankle. They are a perfect choice for the people who do not want to show the neckline. Next one is Anarkali kurti. Anarkali kurtis are usually long from below your calf to floor length. It has a gathered bottom distinguished by an empire waistline and flared hemline. They have been in style since decades ago and are still in trends. Wear slim or skinny fit bottoms with Anarkali kurtis to look more polished. Anarkali kurtis हमेशा ही ट्रेंड्स में रही है. आप इसको चूड़ीदार के साथ या फिर लेगिंग्स के साथ और अब तो इसको बॉटम्स और इसको प्लाजोस के साथ और पैंट्स के साथ भी पेयर किया जाता है. Next one is straight cut kurti. A straight cut kurti is characterized by a straight fit and hemline and is a basic kurti style every woman should own just because they are endlessly versatile with leggings, plazos, jeans, trousers or skirt, and the list is infinite. Wearing long straight kurtas make you look taller and slimmer. Another one style of kurti is slit kurti. By slit kurtis, I intend to imply all kinds of high slit kurtis, including front slit kurtas, side slit kurtas, multi slit kurtas, etc. high from slit kurtas when teamed with a high-rise ripped jeans is just fabulous. You look trendy and stylish. Next one is flared or frock style kurti. Flared or frock style kurti or kurta dress. Flared kurtis usually come with slightly cinched waistline and heavily gathered bottom that end in a flat hemline. I recommend you to prefer slim fit bottoms with these kurtis to keep the balance. They can also be worn as dresses, means without the bottom, especially in summers when paired with a pair of sneakers to achieve an Indo-Western look. So they are also popularly known as kurta dresses. And the last one is kaftan kurti. A kaftan kurti is same as the flowy kaftan typically worn as beach wear. But now this has been chosen to wear as daily wear, casual wear and even party wear, either as a dress or by pairing with plazos, cigarette pants, leggings. So friends, ये 10 टाइप्स की कुर्ती मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की. आई होप आपको ये कुर्ती के डिज़ाइंस पसंद आए होंगे. आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching.